So here we are introducing the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B, which was purchased through the CanaKit Corporation online. We also recently purchased a kit for the book Adventures in Raspberry Pi that was purchased a few weeks ago through the Raspberry Pi Swag online as well. Here we have the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B in its case, which we also purchased online. It's a very small computer, as you can see right now. Let me just take a closer look so that you can see it. Raspberry Pi. This is actually made in the UK. We also purchased the wireless USB so that we can connect wirelessly. Here we have the SD card, which has installed Raspbian OS. This is actually the one that came with the kit. Well, we ended up getting a bigger one. In this case, just to let you know in simple words, the Raspberry Pi is a credit card size computer. It can be connected to a TV or monitor with also a keyboard. It can be programmed using languages such as Scratch, which is one of the simple ones. You can also use Python. Other languages can also be included, such as C or even Java. You can find codes under dexterindustries.com, or you can even look it up simply by creating an account on github.com. Also bitbucket.com, .org has some repositories which contains code that has already been written and tested for the Raspberry Pi and its different models. Like we mentioned, we recently purchased the kit for the book Adventures in Raspberry Pi. The contents of this kit, let me have you take a look at it. In this case, it will be the breadboard, some jumper jerky, and within this small box, let me show you, we got the resistors, the LEDs. We also have the 16x2 LCD display with pins. Let me take it out so that you can see it. Let me do it slowly. Oops, I can barely do it with one hand for some reason. There we go. So this is the LCD with the pins. It will be connected to the Raspberry Pi at one point. We also received a variable resistor and tactile buttons with caps. We received 4 of them. We also received this quick guide that will help you out with the pins for your Raspberry Pi, depending on which model you have. So you turn it around and you'll be able to see it. So this is a brief introduction of the Raspberry Pi. We're going to be using the Raspberry Pi 1 Model B, the kit for the Adventures in Raspberry Pi. We're just going to start going through the projects. We're going to be uploading some videos on how we did it, and if it was something really simple, if we came across some other challenges, and how we actually overcame them. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to post in the comments or any of your questions, and I'll be able to answer them at the best of my capacity. Thank you.